Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x87E10BD0, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. So open the internet and go to this website fast.com and click on this refresh symbol here. Just go to the website and hit enter. So it will show the internet connection speed. If it is good enough, then everything is okay. But if it is very slow, then how would you download an app from the Microsoft Store? The next solution is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter to clear the Microsoft Store cache and relaunch the window. The next solution is to repair Microsoft Store. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and corresponding to Microsoft Store, click on the download pointing arrow, select app settings, scroll down, click on terminate to terminate the process first, click on repair, it will repair the app, and finally click on reset and reset once again. And this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.